Hi, now we are going to mention the differences between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. I will only talk about three differences. First is the depth of the market. MT4 does not offer built-in depth of market feature, but MT5 does. We talked a little bit about it earlier in the series. It shows the current ask and bid price and information that can help you to make decisions while trading. Secondly is the trading itself. MT4 focuses on forex trading and offers a single edge and netting account system, but MT5 expands on MT4's capabilities by offering multi-asset trading. We have forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. And lastly is analytics. MT4 provides basic technical analysis tools like the indicators, the charting options, and the drawing tools. But MT5 is more enhanced. It has more analytical tools that are inbuilt, and MT5 provides access to the economic calendar, newsfeed, and more in-depth analysis. Also, it's important to mention that MT5 made some security improvements like two-factor verification and uses a more up-to-date architecture. So, it's ultimately more secure to use than MT4. I hope you enjoyed this video series about MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching.